Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandria here. Today I'm going to be doing kind of like a daily vlog. Um, Trying this out basically because I had a couple of errands to run today, and then also I'm getting tested for COVID-19 today, so wanted to take you guys along with me, so I will let you know when I get there. So I'm here driving up to the COVID test place, aka Walgreens. Alright, I'm here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Are you Alexandria?
Yes.
And can you verify your name? You want to put up your ID and health insurance card up against the window?
Okay.
And roll up the window?
Okay.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. My name is Ashley. I'll be the pharmacist explaining how to administer the test as well as observe, okay? Before I get started, can I have a name and date of birth?
Alexandria.
After I'm done explaining what to do, with your window rolled up, I'll be rolling the cart towards your car. The only thing that you'll grab is the bag, not the tote itself, but the bag, okay? The only items that you'll need outside of the bag for the test are the vial and the cotton swab packet. I would first recommend you open the packet.
Oh, right.
You're all set to go?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Alright, that was awkward. The guy was like staring at me the whole time, so I kind of didn't want him to know that I was like filming it. I don't know why, but he was like staring at me. It wasn't like that the first time I got it done. But anyway, see, my eyes are like watering. It's really not that bad. This is actually my second time getting tested. The first time was because I was going home to my parents and I wanted to be safe. I want to be safe than sorry, and I don't want to risk exposing other people. With that, this was like about 30 minutes away from my house. I did the drive-through testing at Walgreens, and as you could see, it took like less than 10 minutes for the whole process. So that's done. And now I'm gonna go get some groceries. Apparently they're gonna give me a call via phone with my results. I'm about to go get some groceries. I actually just started the keto diet. I just wanted to try it out. I've kind of been trying to lose weight off and on. I'm struggling getting my mask. I'm struggling getting my mask off. Okay. So just pulling up to Bilo. I need to get a couple groceries. Just got done with my COVID test, and I have decided to start the keto diet. I've been trying to lose weight for the last couple months here and there, and I've lost some weight, but I wanted something a little bit faster to kind of jumpstart me. So this past week I started the keto diet, and I actually lost 8 pounds this week. And like Monday, tomorrow, today's Sunday, tomorrow's like my actual real weigh-in. So like it might end up being even more. So I need to get a couple of things because I was like super hyped. I was gonna make keto pancakes today, and I get the like mix because I actually had to order it from Amazon, so it's just like such an extra process. I thought it was just like a just add water type mix, and I go read the instructions and it was like, you need coconut oil, unsweetened almond milk, blah blah blah, like all these things, and I was like, don't have any of it. So I'm going to buy low. I've also been wanting some steak, so I'm gonna get some ribeyes for later today. So biggity buy low coming up. Okay, so I'm back home. I put my groceries away and now I'm getting ready to make my keto pancakes. I already put together the mix. It was just the mix, vanilla extract, coconut oil, an egg, and some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So I'm coating the pan with butter. I know I already sprayed it, but with the keto diet, it's high fat, low carb, moderate protein. So having that butter in there adds a little bit of extra fat content. So I'm just whipping it up and throwing these babies on the pan and we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, I'm struggling with this bottom one. Go to flip the top one and boop, same thing. So first round was kind of low-key and epic fail. Like they all just fell apart. I don't know what I did wrong. But anyway, so I was going to go and try again. I mean, these pancakes are definitely not normal texture of like your typical pancakes. So I think I just needed to let them stay on the pan a little while longer. Let's try again. All right, I am done. Here's how they're looking. I think they came out looking really good. Probably not going to eat all of these. I did have some pieces of leftover sausages that I low-key burnt earlier this week, so I'm going to use that. So it looks pretty good. I'm excited. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. All right, the day continues. I like freaking demolished those pancakes, like demolished. I am now tired. I got the itis, so I'm gonna take a quick nappy nap on my couch. Once I woke up from my nap, then I wanted to do a little bit of cleaning and a little bit of work for my personal life. So my kitchen table was like overrun with clothes from my laundry room. So I was just folding up my clothes. Ignore the like millions of chairs I have in the corner. I'm actually replacing my kitchen furniture. So I have a lot of chairs right now because junk removal was canceled for quite a while because of the pandemic. So I got my table cleared and I started doing a little bit of online shopping and then some personal work. I'm actually working on a little business venture right now that should be coming your way soon from a personal standpoint. So I just wanted to work on that for like an hour or so. I try to at least get like an hour or so per day. And then I started looking up what I wanted for dinner. And like I said earlier in the video, I wanted some ribeyes. So just was looking at some new recipes for how to cook it. And then I'm gonna get in the kitchen and start whipping it up. So here I am. I am cutting up some onions. I really love caramelized onions when I'm making my steak. So just chopping that up to start. And then I'm just gonna take some olive oil and douse it in the pan. And then I'm just going to caramelize these onions. Like, I really love caramelized onions with a lot of stuff, especially my steak. So just getting it in. So onions are done, and then I'm just putting those off to the side, and then I'm gonna start working on my broccoli. I use frozen broccoli, and then I just thaw it out in the microwave. So I'm squeezing out the excess water and just placing it on this pan. I love oven roasted broccoli. Like, it just hits like no other. So I just take some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then I just toss them in the pan, throw them in the oven. I usually cook them on like 375, 380 for like 35, sometimes even 40 minutes. It's so good, like so good. So now I'm going to put some more oil in my pan to get ready for my ribeyes. I cut the heat up pretty high because I just want to sear both sides. I do not like pink in my steak, so I know people are going to be like, ugh, that's weird, but I still like to keep them juicy. Starting to get that crust, baby. It's looking so good. Now, the most critical piece to a good steak is butter, and lots of it. So, obviously, this is on keto, so you can have plenty of butter. But I put butter and minced garlic in the pan, and then as you can see, I just continue to spoon it over the steaks. It makes it so juicy and so good. Bone apple tea. This is dinner, steak and broccoli. I'm going to watch some TV while I eat. Once I was done eating, then I had to clean up the kitchen. So here I am just loading up my dishwasher with all of my dishes, and then I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen once it's all loaded up and just get ready to chill for the rest of the night. After I'm done cleaning up, then I'm gonna have some ice cream. I have 2 flavors here. Those are both keto ice creams. And then I just relax and enjoy the rest of my night, watching some 90 Day Fiance, doing a little bit more personal work on my computer, and just relaxing before I go upstairs and go to bed. And then the last thing I did that night was have a little bit of ice cream. So that's it for this vlog. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm going to try to do more lifestyle vlogs and just like some everyday stuff on my channel. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!